Separate a visa?
I'm not signing that convention over this time.
So that means the shepherd place nah go work then.
Well, she can't go there for the first week.
Yeah, but we're gonna need somewhere else to go because we not gonna day here at daytime.
You're right. Unless we make sure I meet the anti-players.
No, because I don't know them people there, that not gonna work.
What's the anti-cool babe? Plus, them live in a gated community and she have some look opinion about Destiny Age. So, I think you're not alright.
I still not trust it, babe. I not gonna feel comfortable.
Wow. The only place we can really think about right now is my mother place. But I think we'll talk about her.
That can work like that.
So we're just gonna send her to the country just so.
She need to get used to rural life. I'ma feel safer like how your mother.
I don't want my kid to get used to no roughness. But for that time I can call her.
You're not good, right?
But that's why every now and then.
Babe, your mother, I know. You have to make things right with her.
I know, babe. May I fix it. But why you wouldn't consider mixing auntie?
I know Samit say your friend for years. But me ask you something. You trust her?
Why you ask me that?
Just so move more.
You know, it's about how should I move around you at the shop?
Well, that's a part of it.
I'm gonna tell you something. Me don't worry about Mitzi. Mitzi can't take my man. Unless my man wants to be taken. So I'm asking a question, sir. Do I have anything to worry about?
No, you don't have nothing to worry about.
Do you want to be taken?
By you, of course.
Make sure.
We could have to worry about, Patsy.
Nothing. Sometimes my question
If
you're being transparent.
babe, so we start over, right? I'm gonna tell you, say, other than that thing there, you know, nothing else to worry about.
Okay, baby. Traveling to see extra tense.
I just worked in there. See, sometimes work just get hectic.
But sometimes I just come in like my grip can't squeeze out the tension.
Your grip can always squeeze out the tension.
Ooh, snap. You see the tree outside? You think if I was like this, somebody gonna watch me?
Yeah, and the mosquito them I go watch too. I could finish all the way to inside, so me can go inside.
Stop.
Auntie Patsy, you guys, get a room.
You can't again,
Lord man, when you're done, Auntie Patsy, help me with homework, please.
Okay, ma'am. I still come here.
So come.
Stop it. I do this up, no?
Stop and then start it, eh? Straight over, straight over.
your precious daughter will never be saved. That's a promise.
Alright.
Destiny.
Destiny?
Destiny. Destiny.
Whose number is this?
Don't answer.
Baby.
Adults are so weird.
Babe, I'm gonna explain everything to you. No, it's not the right time. Just give me some time.
Okay, baby.
You trust me?
Well, I guess. Fine. Much trust you.
Shit.
Daddy, you find out that who? Suppose I did mommy.
If I'm mommy, she will call you back tomorrow. By the way, you know past your bedtime.
How convenient.
Where do you say a while ago?
Oh wow. Look at the time. Bedtime. Aunt Fancy, you can eat me in the morning.
Okay, baby.
You hear what me just hear a while ago?
You mean too much, nothing?